Welcome back to Alvinsa Studio, where we explore the most innovative and inspiring homes from around the world. Today we're taking you on a tour of a remarkable home that takes container living to new heights, literally. In this video, we'll be exploring the art of vertical living in a 3-story shipping container home. With its smart design, efficient use of space, and stunning architectural features, this home redefines what's possible in modern living. In urban settings, limited space and unique architectural desires often drive innovation. An illustrative example of this is a remarkable home fashioned from shipping containers, perched on a triangulated plot at Rutledge Street's intersection with Trunk Avenue. This dwelling, unconventional in design, stretches skyward in a 3-story configuration that challenges traditional horizontal expansion due to the lot's spatial constraints. An approach lending itself well to container construction, well-suited for vertical stacking with reduced foundational and roofing efforts. The residence, which defies expectations with its towering presence, employs a trio of 40-foot containers to encapsulate its essence. However, the foundational tier remains separate, functioning as an insulated storage space with an independent mini-split HVAC system, hinting at potential as a multi-use area for activities such as fitness or crafts. Beyond the storage lies the second level, accessible by an external staircase, which introduces the inhabitant to the heart of the home. Here, a kitchen adorned with light maple cabinets, complemented by granite countertops and a suite of stainless steel appliances, provides a modest culinary space. The original container plywood floors, overlaid with a glossy finish, allow seamless movement throughout. Second floor. Adjoining the kitchen, the living room resonates with brightness, extending to a porch supported by the shipping container's fixed open doors. Near the living space, a compact bathroom echoes the kitchen's aesthetics with modern fixtures and white subway tiles, exuding a welcoming atmosphere. Third floor. The ascent to the third level reveals a lofted bedroom which, despite the container's innate width limitations, is drenched in natural light. Energy-efficient windows and sliding glass doors yield access to a balcony, though the spatial layout necessitates a trade-off in bed size. First floor. Though modest in floor area, this high-rising habitat integrates closed-cell spray foam insulation, mini-split AC systems, and a tankless electric water heating system to ensure a comfortable interior climate amid Texas heat. Furthermore, a concrete pier foundation and a protective roof over the uppermost container ensure structural stability without the danger of water accumulation. The Rutledge Street home, constructed on a landscaped lot equipped with both city sewer and water services, faces a dichotomy being in proximity to the serene Liberty Park and the bustling soundscapes of Dart's Green Line and a 6-lane highway. Nevertheless, its prominence within the neighborhood skyline is undisputed, signifying both a striking residential feature and a testament to Dallas's initiative to transform vacant urban lots into affordable and innovative housing solutions. And that concludes our exploration of vertical living in this stunning 3-story shipping container home. We hope you've enjoyed discovering how innovative design can transform a compact space into a multi-level haven of style and functionality. If you found this home as inspiring as we did, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow design enthusiasts, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more tours of unique and groundbreaking homes. Thank you for joining us on this vertical journey. Until next time, keep dreaming big, building up, and staying inspired, right here on Alvinsa Studio.